We're gonna install Windows 11 like my daddy told me how to install Windows 11 the correct way. That's right. Windows 11 IoT Enterprise LTSC 2024. The best version of Windows, damn it. And you're installing it wrong. Installing it wrong. Okay? Just know that. I'll get to this video one day. Sorry, Outlook. Anyway, this is the version of Windows that Luke Smith would maybe use. I don't know. He'd never use Windows, but if he ever drank the hemlock and did Windows. Anyway, no, not Fastfetch. Let me do WinFetch. WinFetch. Right there. Okay, Windows 11 IoT Enterprise LTSC. That stands for, well, let me just spell it all out. Windows 11 Internet of Things. Well, they don't like of in acronyms. Enterprise long-term support contract. Don't look at that evaluation. We're going to fix that in a second, okay? But anyway, you can get this thing to run forever. Look at this support period. Look at this. I don't have to upgrade until 2034, okay? I have the base, cool, fun version of Windows until 2034, okay? I'm sorry, I have to romanticize it a little bit. I have 10 more years with stupid Windows stuff. I'm going to use Linux, but I still like to have a backup Windows PC as a hobby, okay? Call me a hobbyist over here. But anyway, look at these requirements, okay? Only 2 cores? Wow. That's like a Core 2 Duo is the minimum. You only need 2 gigs of RAM. And you only need 16 gigabytes of storage. That's crazy. It only needs to be able to support DirectX 10. So we're talking some really old hardware here. Windows has it out there, but they won't sell it to you. Instead, they're going to give it to you for free. And we're going to put it, you can put on your X225 Hackintosh. Not Hackintosh, what is it? Frankenpad, that's it. I don't know my words. Anyway, you know, that Frankenpad I got, you can put it on your, what is that? The T450. That's a good keyboard. T450S is better, but, or T60, which is crazy. So, this laptop from the Bush era literally can handle this, because you know what? I didn't even point this out. Look at this. TPM 2.0. Recommended, but optional. Okay, that is insane. And they have it out there, right in the wild. You know, other YouTubers, they might be like, and nothing, no heat on them. Okay, this is how I found it, guys. So it's the, God, did I say guys? I'm gonna not say that again. Okay, anyway, they're like, oh, go over here and download it. Click on this. Oh, fill it out with your personal information. Dude, don't do that. There's like a direct link to it right here. But unfortunately, it's the evaluation version. That has some limitations. You can't activate the evaluation version forever. So, even though this is the better link for the ISO, so you can burn with Rufus, by the way. You're going to want to use Rufus. That part's important. Anyway, you don't want to go and put in that crap. You can just go straight over to Massgrave. And that's like that Microsoft activation script place. It's kind of like gray area, but at the end of the day, Microsoft kind of uses it sometimes. You just paste this into like a command prompt or terminal or whatever, and then boom, it's right there. It's crazy. And you know what? They've got links to all the best ISOs, okay? So this one over here for Windows 11 LTSC, this right here is the one for OEMs, so it's for the hardware guys. And it's right here. It's an actual link to the Microsoft site. Like, if we copy this right here, do a copy link, throw that garbage in here, and boom, it's Microsoft. So, directly from the source, and they're publicly available because Microsoft does not care. They don't care if you pirate this. You know why? This is insane, but Massgrave is just on GitHub. It's got like 12k star. No, wait. It's 126,000 stars. That's crazy. Like, GitHub is owned by Microsoft. Microsoft's giving Windows away, but to cool people. So, they got Discord. They got downloads for all other versions of Windows 11. Because the meme one that I'm on right now, the IoT Enterprise, that one, it's not really good for gaming. It's really good if you want minimalist stuff, but it's not going to have the latest drivers. So, just think about that. Also, this WinFetch thing I'm using over here, I know I could use Fastfetch. It's way better, but just sticking with WinFetch. I don't know. Check out the blog, as always. Check out other blogs. Check out the discovery page on Bear. Like, look at this. How to minify Godot's build size from 93 megabytes. That 3 looked like a 6. Anyway, 93 megabytes down to 6 megabytes. Crazy. That's like, I mean, that's just the kind of cool stuff that you find on here. It's crazy. Like, seriously, just go look at blogs. Look at tech blogs. Like, if you like tech stuff, you should just do tech stuff. Like, use Windows Terminal. It has all these cool tools in it. You can use, like, WinGet to grab stuff off the Microsoft Store. Officially packaged stuff. You can use Scoop to install packages, too. And Scoop has, like, a ton of stuff. It has, like, Helix, like the text editor here. Anyway, HX. There we go. It's kind of like a Vim type thing. Anyway, they got that. They got all sorts of packages. They got tealdeer, which is crazy. Like, you can just install that and then just be like tealdeer dir, which is a Windows command. So for directory, we do that. We've got all the little things we could do with it, little TLDR, and right there, if I do control and click here, right there to the Microsoft page. Crazy. Like, super handy. Every IT place should have one. Okay, definitely get on that. Also, 11 forum is amazing. They've got all the WinGet stuff for, like, if you want to get OneNote, if you want to get the terminal, if you want to just do it all from the command line, you can do it here, or if it's just been ripped out. They got direct links in the store. It's just really handy. Like, 11 forum in general, like, look at all these tutorials. They got crazy stuff. Like, they got, like, you want to remove WMIC, which is like, I don't know why you'd want to do that, but you can. They got these, like, people on here like, oh, what's the best way to automate my installs? And they're just going to give them, like, kind of a simple one, which is just, like, you do that unattended.xml and skip the out-of-box experience part. You know, kind of like a basic setup. But, yeah, also, WSL, like, Windows Subsystem for Linux is just, oh, it's so good, okay? Look, you can just have it as, like, a tab in the terminal, and it's just, it's so great. I don't even care how not principled it is. Like, when I want to run stuff that should run in Linux, I just use WSL. It's terrible. I'm sorry, this is a very evil video. Like, I feel my workplace slipping in. And look at this. Microsoft build, May 19th to May 22nd. Oh man, if only I was at a place that wasn't too cheap to, like, fly me out there. It'd be so cool. Like, look at this. Oh man, only $1,000 for the early bird rate to go in Seattle. Or you got the CUCK route. You got the, oh, I'm gonna watch it digital with my department. Hey guys, do you guys want to go turn on Microsoft Build? Did you know that we could learn code, connect, and grow? You guys want to watch the live streams of Microsoft Build at work? No, that is the reaction I'm going to get from my coworkers when I say those exact words and I ask if they want to watch, you guys want to watch Microsoft build? You guys should watch Snooze Quest, by the way. It's pretty cool.